Engineer Noman, and in this video I will tell you the nobology of Aplio400 Toshiba make machine. Here you can see basically this machine supported 4 probes, but here you can see 3 probes including uh, convex probe, linear probe, and TVS probe. So this convex probe is used for basically obstetric, abdomen, pelvis, etc. Basically we can say the frequency of this probe is low as compared to linear, because when the frequency will low you can examine the deep organs because the wavelength will be high. And for small parts and superficial parts, carotid parts and vascular, we use linear probe, and its frequency is up to 12 megahertz, because if the frequency will high already mentioned, the wavelength of the ultrasound waves would be small, and we can examine the superficial parts like vascular, carotid. uh, Another probe, TVS probe, convex probe is basically can sort out the most of the problems related to obstetric and gynecology. But for the deep analysis, we use TVS probe for the fetus, for the baby in a uterus unit. For its transvaginal probe basically used to check the pregnancies related problems. Yeah, so this was the little introduction related to probes. Now we come to the its nobology. Here you can see this is the 2D basic mode, which is right now is applicable here. Here you can see the small movement because I am putting hand on it. And rather than on the left side of 2D gray mode, you can see the ADF, it's advanced dynamic flow, and CDI, color Doppler imaging. Basically CDI can tell us, or we can examine by this mode of the motion of blood. And basically there are, let's see if we increase the gain. Here you can see there are some colors are showing this is the blood motion toward and away. So again we press the 2D mode and we are back in grayscale mode. And here you can see the pulse wave mode. In pulse wave mode, a pulse will be generated on the screen, and you can see the blood motion as well as in a form of pulses. So again we are back into the mode here, and next mode is motion mode. Basically motion mode, PW, pulse wave mode, is an updated form of motion mode. Here we are going to apply the motion mode, and here we are back into the mode.